It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba, a Melodies podcast YouTube channel. So breaking news at Ebasisiano, Mesrel, and Yasuneti Mayan. But answer the better as on subscribe and click the notification bell on the so am I. We have the latest news be about one Sabeka, not just a Yakuya Nimano. Metro Senior Bell will screen so Sisia, Dow screen so Sisia, Mr. Disusa Pepe, am I. It's here for young call. Okay, answer na Yabako in Semen Swangas and who number near that screen as Yeno. Who are doing tribia Fafasa number so am I. Who are latest Bia Fafasa number so am I. Open see your interview. Who are same Bia what say your cover. Fafasa number so man. Yeah, story bina with Ninja Who I'm streaming with the data Fafa number so man. Who we are link to your Facebook page, no. Link to your Facebook page, or description box, Mr. Click and I like your Facebook page. Yanko Yansem, so breaking news are Eban say Mama G, FDA4 Aqua Arrestino. FDA4 Aqua Arrestino. Bibeka say, Mama G no one no anywhere. We will be what I ever social media, especially Instagram. You'll be out on Instagram only Mama G because Oton Drobe brain. I mean, in drone obetono sebe a drone be say emba ebema sebe mo baby e hono aye de ye na tese woni be ma share or the Japade ni abema tese Mama G or ye advert on social media says an drone na wotombi otumi to no dra ye friend no cash out na tese wo be ma o edru wo ba wo de be siesi bu baby ye se woni obema shie mu a tese taste na wo be ma ne benya no wonya bi woni wiase mu da enti eno no be ma no we peja sika bia wo pese bode ma obia no obema ne be peja ma Mama G make sa claim no say oton san drone na and one thing about it they say the claims that were making in no she backs it with evidence wo ma wo mo to san drone wo ne ho nia no e di adanse say in drone na wo ton ni nia eye adwuma etie for munti asem ni yo omo di adanse say in drone na say be in drone na wo ton a say be ma emba omo baby ahoye de kama na ahoye nice ahosiesie nice no ama bema bia ne ni hia bema ne hunu say oba we do eso no emba be breeding one dance say ne kra because eto de bia we twa video emba aba ne ho so wo mo beto san nyama na wo be so mo doson omo nia wo mo send screenshot etrese ne kra na Mama G we one blogger wo no so ya popular e wo Instagram pa those called sellers the debia wo ka Mama G ho asem say indro na Mama G ton no authentic ema those called sellers no wo ye advert ema Mama G it's here for breaking news at Ebasisi and say FDA Food and Drugs Food and Drugs Authority FDA Food and Drugs Authority womo akọ arrestino over unregistered products not to say indro na woton no one register and unsubstantiated claims not to say claims that will make it say a drone no sebe ebema wase esi nice a drone no ebema wo ubisa wo use a drone no e wo ho oton nku ne nyama ne wo use wo ho na ubisa obema bia ska bo de bema oton ade efen favor cream ne na to say wo benya favor wo wiase mu sa nyama ni na no wo pese FDA 4% trese sa claims ni no unsubstantiated na trese yenye nhwehwemu hu se ade we ne kre into the FDA 4 asori akọ arrest Mama G say indro na what on first unregistered indro ne ye esanso ye unsubstantiated and then say ma etie for breaking news Abasisi na FDA 4 release a press statement about one person one more claiming and now one more magana for whom say Mama G yakọ arrested into the read the press statement no action Sisia na eba was say FDA and police arrest Mama G over unregistered products and unsubstantiated claims. And so the Food and Drugs Authority FDA with the assistance of the Criminal Investigative Department CID of the Ghana Police Service has effected the arrest of Elizabeth Togbo, popularly known as Mama G, over sales of products which has not been registered by the FDA. This follows attention of the FDA drawn to social media videos by Mama G claiming she has sexual enhancers and other products which has not been registered by the authority. That is a Food and Drugs Board no one must say go more the air course of social media. They can say social media now you find a gross no. Yeah, so FDA for this year the phone is almost show. Sometimes they hear the two social media you say well no. Ati asie Into no person much say claims na who claim say we draw no no at least I saw the bar FDA for her am I register now but unregistered and I would a draw a DC car can say what Ghana has say sika de mama enka mama G a draw we would the DC car because to me try video pa wo mba just say mba mo ho fefefe o ebi mo kita mba mo kita nkola ne na tese mo ko mama G o na tese Ghana hamba sebe mo so mo hia bidie na tese Ghana hamba esue kogu ne ho se wo mo ye na wo mo ho no aye nice am mo de agye embe masika utumi hu mba fefefe pa me say last video dia me hu yo ba fefefe bi pa university girl bi wo say tese ngofo believe na saa de ngofo bebre akasa fa ho me hu ngofo bebre say wo mo kasa fa these products na em say eno na ma FDA any police for yes police CID for na akosua eye Mama G. Now wo mo say Mama G was arrested on Wednesday 10th July 2019 at her shop at Medina near Rollins Park in Accra. Na say oye juma wo shop wa wo ye juma say wo boy juma and police for akosua. I say the FDA wishes to advise the general public not to patronize such products from Mama G since it has not been approved by the authority and the claims cannot be substantiated. Not to say FDA for air can say general public mamu goto enyama we emfi Mama G ho but me the American say wo mo to emfi Mama G ho di adanse say eye juma nti asema FDA for can dey enye no na Ghana for beti o because mba no ekogu obebre na enye juma mo na komo kogu o se wo mo to mba no dodo na wo ma to yi so ade na aba bonten ebetresa ade ne kre eye juma e ma sebe ye ne mba ma ni hia wo mo kre yen say me ne oba enhia ye ma menya feeling say da e de na wo peme ya ma e ma ye ye mo mba aba bonten kre say wo ko Mama G ni Instagram meaning say Instagram ne sisia we disable no there ba wo Mama G wo ko ni Instagram account ana ni Instagram page wa ubehu say mba bebre aba ebedi adanse say indeed edrona woton no eye juma until say ansem na FDA for can say oh mama ngoto say ndro de me de me ni omu nya adwen because nkrofo can say edrona eye juma. I say the general public is therefore advised to contact the FDA should they have any additional relevant information on this issue or any other FDA related issue through any of the following contact. Not just say wo mo di same way general public FDA for air frame na etie for media maker em say way enye and Mama G is not the only person. Em say there's also a young lady be about so what on similar things. There's also a young lady be about on similar things. Media from a scientific background give me to me can say claims na Mama G e making say e drone say be e ma wo ba wase ho no eye dokodoko no me to me aka say me de minim say e draw bi wo ho a na plant fruits bi wo ho a e wo northern part of the country na sa fruit no ni din edin gorontula sa gorontula no eye keten sa fruit we wo ko science mo a e trail say sa fruit we nyankopon abo enyama bi atomo a wo yoba na wo tai di sa fruit ya sebe wase ho no ebe ye dokodoko chese wo ne obema hie mu a wase ho no ebe ye different feeling kra obema ne be feeling from what I know no sa fruit we na Mama G eko not ho ekoto e de be ye say dro no until from the little I know from this fruit we dey na minim hu juma de dada and so na Mama G last be wono aba abonten ebe kan the secret says our fruit no use so and I make say and they say fruit na nkasa no use there and they indeed ne cre because me na me say our fruit no dey eye nyankopon de wono ane nyanse mu wabo nyama bebra ebetumi abo nipa daseni ewo wiase mu natural our fruit ni emfa de anka saa na fruit net ye fe no gorontula na wa wo betumi the obetumi say obetumi agugu sa fruit no be say embrofofo doctors ka kan ho asem say sa fruit no Africa na ewo na sa fruit no udi a say be wo your ba etumi boa e wo sa nyama nim iti me be hu say Mama G sa fruit no na wo de ye we no anya me wanwa me hu say okay indeed en kre na nkofo so edi ananse Mama G is a young entrepreneur. From what I can say, you know, she's a young entrepreneur. Some of the things she say, you know, yes, some of the things do to know say for advertisement. Because some of the things she say, you know, hey, cash out in Kuwait, who you swear, favor beer, rubenya, and then to know that be radiant. Well, but some of the things she say also works. But a bit more what I mean when they say to the extreme. You know, as FDA, you know, yes, my doing say say young entrepreneurs be saying, you know, we are just closing them down just for closing sake. Who say at the end of more claiming let's help them. How can we help them get a registered company? How can we help them register their products? Because me say, you know, my course could do it in Ghana has it. But this registration of products in Yamano, no, it's not an education most of us know. Ghana education system, they are saying, say, who person we are registered. So me, I can tell you, say, Mama G, no, I just be defending, but I can tell you, say, if you want to know, say, products, no, so called register. Because Ghana had the obi etumi yeso bolo no waton and yes and that there and the yeso bolo no so no one can register. This is the system we know in the country. So I feel say more education should go into things like this. Into no Ghana phone near be say oh me the product we buy and say me call her aha na say me call because Ghana they will be and say oh me dem me ton there and say me license bia me sha say me ton na me ton but oh ton there and say what license but me to me actually say mo amutie me ngo fu bebrekra enim. Say Ghana has said, "Wo ton emo or kwan ho kran na say o license." Ikofo bebre enim. We weren't brought up with that. Yenum bebre enim. Timetumi actually say Mama G kran no. E bia no wo nim say wo register the products no. Onu di onim say wo na wo ye na ade a wo ton. Until no, let's try as much as possible to educate people other than shutting people down. Until no eno ne keto a me meka fa ho. Yen hwem because media what I know about that fruit there indeed it works. Into Mama G and baby the last 2 months were babontin betresses have fruits no na wo use no and one because I knew said that fruit has it actually has that potential into no for and no make it to a me can fa ho but as some way there very serious try what in our comment box me for me that say